Welcome to Thailand Privilege, your gateway to worry-free living in Thailand. Before you arrive, ensure your passport is valid for at least 1 year. Required to bring a printed copy of your membership certificate. Send your flight details and a copy of your passport to our Member Contact Center at least 5 working days before your arrival to arrange airport VIP service and visa affixation. Complete the Thailand Digital Arrival Card online within 3 days before arrival to ensure a smooth entry process. Upon arrival, our team will greet you at the gate, assist with fast-track immigration, and guide you to your limousine transfer. Enjoy a seamless start with personal assistance for bank account opening, Thai driving license, and more. If you have any questions, our 24/7 multilingual member contact center is always ready to assist. Welcome to Thailand, where privileges begin the moment you arrive. Make Thailand your home.